Now let's do 100 meters sprint. That was good. Yeah. Yeah. No, let me give you some Amstel water, yeah? To cool down.
Yeah, sure.
Alright. Yeah. I think you can take it straight from the bottle.
Yeah.
Isn't that so?
Nice.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah.
That was good.
Oh.
That was good.
But I can beat you the next time, you know.
You sure?
Always will.
Anytime.
Charlie, I got a serious match today.
Well, do you have a football field here now?
Oh, come on. It's not that kind of match. Look, Sadia is coming today.
Sadia?
Yes.
And what about that cute lady, Doris?
Look, she is going to the north. And of course, what does the world need from me if she's going away? When the cat is away?
Tell me something.
There we go.
Tell me something. Ninoy, tell me. When are you going to settle down?
Variety is a spice of life. You think I envy you married men?
Indeed.
Yeah.
And what about morality? AIDS, bastard kids, and all the gamut of negative effects accruable to your position.
Alright, I say to that, butt it off. You think I don't know all these things? Look, I don't envy you married men. Anyway, I am not ready to be tied down. Simple and short. Finish.
But you have to be thinking about it. One of these days you have to.
Well,
But I'll make sure you.
that's the phone. That must be here.
Nino.
Sun City, Sun City.
What a nice car. Misplaced priorities. Come again. Humankind is lost. We wallow in things material at the expense of the soul.
Isn't that a bit too harsh?
Behold, only a rapid reversal of this incipient moral decadence, plus the birth of leaders imbued with abundant wisdom and selflessness, will save humankind from further damnation.
And I suppose you see yourself as such a leader.
Exaltimus Domino, Sanctis Christi. Hedonists, lovers of pleasure.
Sun City, Sun City. The light licks the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, Sun City. Sun City, Sun City. Sun City, Sun City. Sun City, Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
Percy. Hi, Leroy.
What's up?
Hi, Leroy.
Hi.
Daughters of Eve, walking the streets in provocative clothes.
Now, what will be that? In case you forgot, it is a free country.
Brother Nawela, if you don't want to see them, then just don't look. That's all.
I'm afraid I'm inclined to side with Nawela in this argument. Just look at what they are taking to lectures.
Not in my lecture room if I were lecturer.
Oh, of course you are not. I mean, I doubt whether you would ever be.
Brothers, surely we must appreciate the dangers inherent in too permissive a society.
Well, it's simple. If you can't stand it, go live in a monastery.
Beware, tongue of blasphemy! Oh, turning and turning in the widening gyre. The falcon cannot hear the falconer. Things fall apart. The center cannot hold. Mere anarchy has loosed upon the world. The blood-dim tide is loosed. And everywhere the ceremony of innocence is drowned. The best lack all conviction, while the worst are full of passionate intensity.
Busy?
Not really. I'm just checking out my lecture notes.
You know, I don't like your friend Ninoy.
Why?
He's got too many women around him, and I think he's a bad influence on you. Only the two of you know what you've been doing in my absence.
Where from this sudden paranoia? Nino and myself are adults and we take our independent decisions.
Look at what happened with the Sharon Jones girl, for instance.
You overreacted.
You think so?
Yes.
Won't you pick up?
Pick it up, pick it up.
Yep.
Charlie, my brother. The eagle has landed. Oh yes, its claws are so sharp. Sadia is here. But Charlie, I haven't got protectors, so I was wondering if you could sort me out.
Yeah? Aren't you coming?
Hold. Look, I'm coming, sweetheart. I'm coming.
Negative. Let me find myself having some pineapple here.
Your wife is in the vicinity, huh? I can understand. You can't talk. I know. All right.
Definitely. I'll tell her. All right, done.
Damn.
Nina says hi.
What did he want?
Just checking up.
So why the coded language?
Look, this has gone on for too long. Do I have to tell you the contents of every phone call I get?
Sweetheart! Sadia! Come on for a moment. Yeah? Sweetheart!
Yes, dear.
Come on.
Just a minute.
I
missed you.
Missed you, huh? Been waiting for long.
What's up?
Come. You okay? All right, now sit down.
Keep you waiting.
Oh, sit down. Yeah. Okay. There we go. You all set? Never mind. Click. There you go. Yeah. I'm so tired. Good to have you, huh? Is that alright with you? You want to... Okay, let me show you a movie there. There. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah. It's good to have you around, you know. I long to have you. But I have to dash out for 15 minutes. No, I have got to give some books to a friend. He just called me.
Should I come with you?
No. Just relax and drink your beer. I'll be back soon. Alright?
Alright, say so. Please don't be long.
See, I'll be back with the speed of the fastest bird, okay? Good afternoon. Now, never mind what I'm going to do, what I'm going to buy here.
Right.
Okay? Good. Give me Wet and Wild. 2. Rough Rider. 3. Aganzi. 1.
How about female condoms?
No, I'd rather have the Durex.
Durex, yeah.
Good. Yes. Dandy. How much for?
100,000.
Okay, this should be 100.
That's it, 100.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yes, sir.
Have a nice
Later.
day.
Hello.
Is Nino in?
I'm sorry he's gone out. Can I help you?
No, can I wait for him?
Is he expecting you?
No, you know what? Never mind. I'll wait for him outside.
Shoot yourself.
Hi, tasty baby. How are you?
Oh, hi, darling. How are you? Yeah, I've reached Navrongo.
You're in Navrongo already? Hey, that was fast.
Well, the plane ride took me only about 40 minutes. In 20 minutes, I was in Navrongo, driving.
Yeah. So when are you guys coming back? I mean, I am home bored, just marking papers and papers. What are you?
Yeah. Finish about 2. About 5, I should be back in Accra.
Yeah? Of course, I mean, come on. That won't be too long. I will be waiting.
So, tell me, what are you doing at the moment?
Oh, you're asking? I'm at home. I'm home marking papers, and just bored and missing you so much, darling.
I see. Well, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, take care, darling.
Okay, love. Tasty baby, doubt it. I'll see you.
Oh, my dear Mifa.
Are you still angry with me?
Come. Wow. You're looking dashing. Where are you going?
I'm going to Eddie for my clothes.
You should know by now you can trust me. Let's stop this pettiness of checking on each other's phone calls.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for being so intrusive. But I hear the girls here can get very aggressive and desperate.
Have I given you cause to think that...
But I am not going to allow anybody to play with my darling boy. Where are you taking me tonight?
Fali's hotspot.
That's a good start.
And afterwards, we'll go dancing.
I like the sound of that.
And do other things. But do you have to go for your clothes now?
You have something else on your mind?
Just follow me. Trust me.
Sun City. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light.
Hi, tasty love.
Are you cool?
No, but I mean, I thought you said you were in Navrongo.
What has that got to do with anything? What has it got to do with anything?
Please give me a hug. No, I can explain.
Please.
I can explain, please. No, please. I mean, you can't.
Nino.
Hello, look.
Nino.
No.
Hey, Nino. Nino.
Please let me.
Ninoy! Ninoy!
What?
What is going on here? You are not going anywhere. I need an explanation now.
Alright, sweetness, come in. Just go inside, let's.
Sun City, Sun City. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light. Sing the manoye, teach you as they call you nohi. They walk as a mo. Sun City, Sun City. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the